Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, LED headlights, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.